We are at this historic old apartment building in St. Louis. And they have two Haughton elevators. That one is restricted. It's only available during business hours, so we can't ride that. But down is locked, but watch this. It says we're going up. The down call button doesn't work, but I got something cool to show y'all real quick. Thanks to someone that lives here, we get to do this. This is where the washing machines are and stuff like that. This is a pretty cool basement. There's the other elevator, but I wish I still had the door. It's actually a really beautiful old elevator. The cab is totally original. It's old vintage Haughton. So now we're riding up to 7. Look at the door track. Such a cool building. Now we will end the tour on 1. Look at this elevator. You can see the floors going by. This is awesome. And since elevaTOURS is all about being healthy, there goes the elevator. Now we're going to take a look at the steps. So with that being said, beautiful old stairwell. Look at the mailboxes. Now we're going to walk up all the steps. Very ornate handrails. This is the building. It's really pretty. I believe it was built in 1920. All right, y'all, here we are at 7. There's the view of the steps we just walked up. Over here's the elevator. Sounds like someone's dying. Let me see if I have my flashlight, because I'm going to show y'all something really cool here, y'all. Look at this. Oh yeah, you can see outside. Watch this. Door close button does work. That is epic, y'all. And here we are back where we started. Epic, and look at the mailbox. Old street letterbox lock. Number 49, that's cool. A huge thank you to all of my patrons for your support of elevaTOURS. The video's over, but it doesn't have to be. You can always watch more, and you know what to do. And don't forget to subscribe and light up that bell. Until next time, bye y'all.